Hello, and welcome to our video on finding confidence intervals using t-scores. Before opening this video, I hope you reviewed the previous video on how to read the t-chart. It should be entitled, I guess, Chapter 6 Video T-Chart, T-Intro. Anyway, it works in a similar fashion as confidence intervals with z-scores. We're just going to use the t-chart instead. So, let's do some examples, shall we? So in example 1 says that the mean rainfall for Dublin during the month of March is 73 millimeters with a standard deviation of 16. From a sample of 31 days, find the 99% confidence interval. So what we're going to do is, on our t-chart, we're going to look for the intersection of 99 and 30. Remember, it's always one less. And when we do, the t-score is equal to 2.750. Okay. Next, we will use our formula for error. And let's put that together. That's going to equal to 2.750 times the standard deviation, which is 16, and divide by the square root of 31. Let me fix that a little bit. Put in division, put in the square root. Good. And that is equal to 7.9. Good. Now when you're done with that, we can do mean minus error and mean plus error. So the mean was 73. So 73 minus 7.9 is equal to 65.1. And then 73 plus 7.9 is equal to 80.9. So our 99% confidence interval is 65.1 to 80.9. Just like that. All right, example 2. A sample of 12 cans of Guinness has a mean volume of 350 milliliters with a standard deviation of 20 milliliters. Find the 95% confidence. So the first step is to find the t-score. So we're going to look for the intersection of 95% and 11 degrees of freedom. And when we do that, let me check the chart. That means t is going to equal to 2.201. All right, next we will use our formula. So we're going to do 2.201 times the standard deviation, which is 20, and divide by the square root of 12. Got that? Throw this in, like so. Good. And that is equal to 12.7. Finally, we can do mean minus error and mean plus error. So let's see. We'll do 350 minus 12.7, which is equal to 337.3. Then 350 plus 12.7, which is equal to 362.7. So our 95% confidence interval is from 337.3 to 362.7. Just like that. All right, let's do one more together. Find the 99% confidence interval. Okay, we can do that. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the intersection of 99% and 22 degrees of freedom. And if you look that up on your chart, that means t is equal to 2.819. All right, good. Now we can use our formula. So doing that, we're going to have 2.819 times standard deviation, which is 9, divided by the square root of sample, which is 23. Let me put some lines in here. So we need the division. and the square root. And that's equal to 5.3. And now the last step, we can do mean minus error and mean plus error. So let's see what we get. So the mean was 87. So 87 minus 5.3 is equal to 81.7. Then 87 plus 5.3 is equal to 92.3. So our confidence interval is going to be from 81.7 to 92.3. And that concludes our lesson on confidence intervals with t. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.